Tank full power. Airspeed's alive. 30. 40. 55. Rotate. We just took off out of Sheboygan, had a good lunch. Now it's time to head back to Chicago Executive. Sheboygan traffic, 6 Charlie Bravo is departing to the southeast Sheboygan.
County Chairland, traffic Sears 432 Whiskey Bravo, 9 miles northeast inbound, within the pattern for touch and go on runway 28, Chairland. Dodge County Jet, traffic aircraft 2364, continue at 60 right downwind runway 26, Dodge County Jet.
Alright, after takeoff.
County Chairland, traffic Dodge County Jet, traffic aircraft 23.
Left up.
And terminating to the right of the parallel taxiway runway 26.
Full power set.
Dodge County Jet. Chairland traffic, Sears 432 Whiskey Bravo, 6 miles out. We'll fly over the airport. I'm northeast, fly over the airport. Turn and we're
Or depart. Ooh, a little bumpy up here. Milwaukee approach, Skyhawk 636 Charlie Bravo, just off of Sheboygan with a VFR request.
Skyhawk 636 Charlie Bravo, Milwaukee approach, maintain VFR, squawk 4671, say request.
Squawk 4671, maintain VFR. We would like VFR flight following to Chicago Executive, Poppy Whiskey Kilo.
November 9 Bravo Romeo, clear visual approach to Sheboygan.
clear visual Sheboygan 9 Bravo Romeo.
Cessna 6 Charlie Bravo, radar contact 4 south at Sheboygan, say your altitude.
Level 1,700.
6 Charlie Bravo, on-cast altimeter 3007.
3007, 6 Charlie Bravo.
Northwest 990 Milwaukee approach, on-cast altimeter 3007.
November 6 Charlie Bravo, would you be able to climb and maintain VFR at 5,500?
Do you have any reports of the cloud faces here? I don't know if that would keep me clear of the clouds.
I don't, unfortunately, have any reports of the bases. No. Do you want to try 3,500? That looks like you could do that, because otherwise I'm going to have to move you, I'll have to move you a little bit westbound because of Milwaukee departures.
I can try 3,500, 6 Charlie Bravo.
For 6 Charlie Bravo, great, thank you. Yeah, climb with team VFR 3,500 and can't do it, let me know, we'll figure it out.
Alright, climb and maintain 3,500 and I'll let you know if I can, 6 Charlie Bravo.
For 7.
Direct Sid, direct perfect via the Sid onto 13,000, 817 Golf Whiskey.
Number 817 Golf Whiskey. Echo Center, 123.82, have a great day.
12382 for 817 Golf Whiskey.
Definitely flying right over top of Milwaukee. Pretty cool.
Scouts 159 Charlie, just going to maintain 2,700.
Chicago approach, Skyhawk 636 Charlie Bravo has the field in sight.
How was that 6 Charlie Bravo? You got clipped there.
We have the field in sight, 6 Charlie Bravo.
6 Charlie Bravo, roger. Radar service is terminated. You can keep your squawk code. Kind of the executive tower 119 or .9, we'll see ya.
Over to 119.9 or 6 Charlie Bravo.
Whisker 250, kind of...
Executive Tower, Skyhawk 636 Charlie Bravo is 13 miles to the north, inbound full stop.
This is 6 Charlie Bravo, Executive Tower, and our right base for runway 30.
Right base for 30, 6 Charlie Bravo.
Executive Tower, Whisker 250 on the visual.
Cessna, I'm sorry, Archer 78 kilo, turn base.
Turn base now, 57 kilo.
So 6 Charlie Bravo, you'll be number 2 found. Archer traffic at your 12 o'clock and about 3 miles on the right extended base for runway 30, 1,700.
Number 2 for 30, looking for the traffic, 6 Charlie Bravo.
Whisker 250, so parking.
Alright, minor Whisker 2.
Whisker 250, you got Lima 3 there.
I got Lima 3, Whisker 2.
Whisker 250, Lima 3, Lima to parking with me. Thanks for your help out there.
Runway 3, Lima, parking with you, Whisker 2.
6 Archer 78 kilo, runway 30.
Runway 30, clear to land, 57 kilo.
This is 6 Charlie Bravo, Archer, you're following is on full final, this is runway 30, number 2, runway 30, clear to land.
Clear to land, 30, 6 Charlie Bravo.
Executive Tower, Skyhawk 167 Uniform Delta with information uniform over Lake Zurich inbound for a full stop.
Cessna 167 Uniform Delta, Executive Tower, wind is calm, straight in for runway 16.
Straight in for runway 167 UD. Tower, Oscar 250, question.
I'm sorry, say that one more time.
Yeah, Whisker 250, is there off south end here, or never mind?
Archer 78 Kilo, runway 16, taxi via Lima now, wind is calm.
16 via Lima, wind calm, 578 Kilo.
Cessna 6 Charlie Bravo, Lima Delta to park on me.
Lima Delta departing with you, 6 Charlie Bravo.
Cessna 70 from Delta traffic, 9 to 10 o'clock and about 2 miles westbound. It's a Baron 1900.
Traffic in sight, 7 Uniform Delta.
Archer 78 Kilo, right left traffic, runway 16, clear for takeoff.
I will take left traffic, 16 clear for takeoff, 7 Kilo.
Now my best landing.
Cessna 7 Uniform Delta, runway 16, clear to land.
Clear to land on runway 167 Uniform Delta.
Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'll keep on trying to post some as I continue to go flying.
Archer 78 Kilo, you'll be number 2 following the Cessna 2 northwest of the field.
We'll be number 2 following the...
If you like them, please hit the like button. If you want to, please subscribe. And I'll see you next time.